Hey guys, welcome back to the Toledo Glass Administration tutorials, and today in this episode we are going to be talking about promotions, and specifically coupons. Now, at the time of watching this video, and even at the time of making the video, I should say, more than likely you're not going to have access to the discounts module because that's not completed yet. That's requiring a little bit more R&D. So we're going to go ahead and just talk about coupons. Now, the difference, before we go into it, the difference between discounts and coupons are this. A coupon is something that you're going to get a code for as a customer and be able to type in on your order page, and that's going to give you, a discount based on what the parameters are. Now, discounts are something that we're going to be active and the customers do not have to activate themselves. So a discount, for example, could be a buy one, get one free. Discount could be, 10% off store-wide, stuff like that. It would automatically grant that to the customer without them having to do anything. Coupons are not that way. Coupons are, if you have a code and you enter it, then it gives you the discount that the coupon is for. If you don't have a code, then obviously you can't use the coupon. So to get there, to get to the coupons dashboard, go to your sidebar panel over here on the left and click on coupons, or click on promotions then coupons, and you'll be given a screen similar to this. As you can see, we have a test coupon in here, but we're going to go ahead and create a new one. So create a new coupon. Now you've got this form here. So the first thing, as usual, you got to add a name for it. So let's just call this let's see. Let's just say, for example, we're having a 420. So April 20th, we're going to have a 15% off sale. So we'll just give this the name of 420, 10% off. All right, so now here's the code. Now this is what you're going to be actually giving out to your customers to use on the site. So for this one, let's just go ahead and we'll just say we wanted to make the code 42015. All right, so if they enter the code 42015 on the cart page or on the order page, then they'll be given a 10% off discount. Now, the next thing that's important is that you can do two different types of coupons. You can either do a percentage-based coupon or a fixed value coupon. So what the difference between these two is, percentage-based will give you a percentage amount off of your order. So in this instance, we're going to create a 10% off coupon. It would give them 10% off their order. But if you wanted to do a fixed value, you would check this button here, and you could actually enter a dollar amount. So let's say that instead of doing a 10% off, I said 15. I don't know why I even put 10 in here. Let's say instead of doing a 10% off, we wanted to do $10 off every order. So you could say 420, $10 off. All right. Then you click fixed value. You'd enter your dollar amount here, and then you'd go on. But in this case, we're going to do a percentage-based one. We're going to do 10% off on April 20th. Our coupon code is going to be 42010. And we're going to choose percentage based. So here you have the amount. That's going to be how much off they're going to get. So we said 10%, so we're going to type in 10 here. As you can see, we have a percentage symbol here. If we were to choose fixed value, we would have a dollar sign here. So it's important that you have to have the right option selected. So we're going to give them 10% off for their order. Now, the total number of uses is going to be store-wide. So globally across the whole store, this is how many times the coupon can be used. So this field here wouldn't necessarily be useful for something like this. So like if we're giving all the customers 10% off of one order on April 20th, you would want to enter 0 for unlimited uses. So 0 in any of these fields will denote an unlimited amount of uses for that whatever the field is denoting. So in this case, the total number of uses across the whole store is going to be unlimited. Whereas, let's say if we put 5 uses, that means only 5 customers would have the ability to claim this coupon. So we want all of our customers to have the ability to claim the coupon, so we're going to hit 0. Uses per customer. So this is going to determine how many times a certain customer is able to use a coupon. If you entered 0 here, then they would be able to continue using that coupon for any of their orders in a given time period. But in this case, we want them to only get 10% off one order, so we're going to say uses per customer is 1. So the customer can use it one time. Now, if they went and created another account as a different customer, then they'd be able to use it again. But that, we don't really worry about that. So you type in 1 for uses per customer and come down here. So you have a coupon start date and a coupon end date. So this is going to determine the activity. So for example, if we wanted to do a 420 sale, you would click on that, go over on the date picker to April, choose April 20th, and then go back over here. And you want it to end, after April 20th, so we're going to end it on the 21st. So the coupon active date is going to be from the start of April 20th of 2018, and it's going to end on April 21st of 2018. So that's going to give your customers access to this coupon for the whole day of April 20th. Now there's two extra options down here that you're going to be able to use. Obviously the active one is going to be whether or not the coupon is active at all. So it's important to remember, so like let's say we add this coupon. We want it to start on April 20th. We also want to check this active box. If we do not check the active box, April 20th will come and go and the coupon will never be active regardless of the dates. So we're going to want to make sure the coupon is active. This basically means like regardless of any date constraints or anything like that, the coupon is going to be available for use. So if you want to have a coupon that's going to start, say 2 or 3 months from now, you're always going to make sure that it's active. Because once it's checked active, the coupon is going to pay attention to these dates instead. Now, if it's not active, the coupon is not going to work at all ever, regardless of these dates. So click active. Probably 85, 90% of the time you're going to have active coupons. This is just useful in case, you do like a sale once a year and you just, want to go in and click, make it inactive for the rest of the year and then go back in and make it active again the next year. Like I said, 90% of the time you're going to have active coupons. Now the next option is users with accounts only. So if you only want registered users to be able to use this coupon, you would check this box. This means that guests, people without accounts, will not be able to use the coupon. So, for an advertisement, say, oh, on 420, all of our members, all of our customers, with registered accounts, will be able to get 10% off their order, 10% off one order. So checking this box would mean that this coupon on April 20th for getting 10% off will only be available to users with registered accounts. It's a good incentive to get people to sign up, and it also prevents, because guests could basically use this coupon an unlimited number of times. It also prevents that. So I recommend having this unless unless you have a total number of uses for the whole store, or you just want a coupon that guests will be able to use. So we're going to go ahead and check that just so that people have to use an account to purchase, and we're going to click Create Coupon. And that's pretty much it. You've created the coupon, and now you're on the editing screen, and you can change whatever you want. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. It's pretty self-explanatory. So now, at this point, once 420 of 2018 rolls around, you will be able to use, if you have a user account, you'll be able to use 42010 as a coupon code and get 10% off. And as you can see here on the starting and ending dates, it is going to start, whoops, screwed that up, hold on. I accidentally selected something. On the starting and ending dates, you'll see that it starts on 420 of 2018 at 0 o'clock, which is effectively midnight in 24-hour time, and it's going to end on 4/21 of 2018 at midnight. So it's going to give you 24 hours of use all through 420. So that's pretty much it for the coupons, guys. Just be careful that you mark your coupons as active if you want them to be used at all, and if you only want users with accounts to use it, make sure you check this box as well. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll try to help you guys through this, but again, this is a pretty simple module as well, and as usual, be careful.